Did you know you can teach English online and teach students from different parts of the world from the comfort of your home? Many people think that online tutoring is for people with degrees and expensive qualifications. But there is much more to it than that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Enifa. I talk about different ways to make money online. On this channel, I talk about different ways to make money online, different business ideas, as well as opportunities that will help you improve your life. In today's video, we are going to talk about online tutoring, the skills you need, where the students come from, how classes work, and later in the video, we'll also talk about certificates and whether you really need one to start tutoring online. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. Now let's begin. We are going to start talking about where the student that you are going to teach come from. Your students can come from all around the world. You may teach students from Asia, from countries such as China, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, Singapore, and many more. You may also teach students from Latin America, countries like Brazil or Mexico. You can as well teach students from Europe, Africa, and many other places. Imagine sitting in your home, on your couch, tutoring someone in Japan, Brazil, Jamaica, Germany, or anywhere across the world. That is the power of online tutoring. Now, let's talk about how classes work. Most of the time, you'll be tutoring whilst you are seated in a quiet room or a peaceful place. You can use a laptop, desktop, or sometimes a smartphone, depending on the platform that you are tutoring. You also need a stable internet connection and headphones with a microphone if possible. I've talked about tools that are needed for you to start tutoring online, so you need to check this video so that you know tools that you need for you to start tutoring online. So most of the schools, they offer one-on-one classes. This means you're going to teach one student at a time. What will you be teaching in these one-on-one classes? You'll be helping your student to practice English conversations, grammar, pronunciation, and sometimes to practice for their interviews and so on and so forth. Other schools, they offer small group classes. This means you'll be tutoring 3 or more students in one class. And these group classes, they pay more than one-on-one classes. If the school is offering one-on-one as well as group classes, you discover that group classes, they pay better than one-on-one classes. What else will you be tutoring these classes besides grammar, pronunciation, preparation for interviews? You also teach English for beginners. You also teach children that are learning vocabulary or even adults that are practicing speaking skills. Now, before I continue, if you are enjoying this video so far, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it to someone who needs this opportunity. Now let's talk about the skills that you need for you to become a good online tutor. Number 1, you need to be patient because every student learns at a different speed. The level of understanding for each and every student that you are going to tutor is different. So patience is very vital. You need to be energetic and engaging. This will help the student to enjoy the lessons and stay focused. You need to be that tutor who is able to motivate students because some students may feel shy or discouraged. So motivation will help them participate and engage more in the classes. You can motivate the student by saying nice things like, "Good job, well done, that's amazing." Or sometimes you can give them treats. If they are kids, you can give them balloons, show them different colors of balloons. This will motivate them to learn and to do better in your classes. You need to be someone who is so friendly, someone who is always smiling. This will help the student to feel very comfortable in your classes and they want to be in your classes. This also helps the student to feel very comfortable learning with you. You need to be confident as a tutor because students, they trust tutors who speak well and guide them well or properly. You also need to be professional. You must be in classes in time, and also you must be willing to help students with whatever they need regarding this area of learning English as a second language. Now let's talk about the question a lot of people ask most of the time. the certificates. Some online tutoring companies may ask for certificates. That is a degree, a college certificate, but mostly a TEFL or TESL certificate. TEFL, TEFL, simply stands for Teaching English as a Foreign Language. Then TESL simply means Teaching English as a Second Language. These certificates are very similar, so most platforms accept either one of them. This depends on their requirements. Having one of these certificates improve your chances of you being hired by these online tutoring schools or online tutoring platforms. The good news is you can even find this TEFL certificate online for free. Options like Teacher Record can help you get started with this certificate. It is absolutely free. So if you don't have money to pay for this certificate online, just to do it for free using Teacher Record. I'm going to attach the link in the description box so that you can start doing your TEFL certificate right away. So that was the video for today. You have seen that you don't need any special qualifications. Yes, other companies, they want degrees, but only a few of them. Yes, other companies, they require you to have a TEFL certificate, but only some of them. But this certificate is not something that is very difficult to acquire. You can acquire it for free on Teacher Record. You can have it for free. So just don't be lazy. Go online, acquire a TEFL certificate, and start your journey of online tutoring. Don't miss out on the next video, because I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create or to make a professional tutoring CV. And I'll also guide you on how to create a strong introduction video that will help you to be accepted faster in these online tutoring schools. These online tutoring schools that we tutor, guys, it's like a school online. You'll be hired. You are not the one to look for students. You are not the one to look for the content to tutor. Everything is provided for by the online tutoring. All you need to do is to look pretty and start tutoring online. So make sure you subscribe, you like, and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on the next upload. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want the next video, you know the rule. Just type next video any, thank you any, then I will know whether I have to upload the next video or not. Have a beautiful day today. Bye. Happy teaching.